The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning in the following areas. All affected locations: MT, Brook, the Olanti Gold Ranch, Brookhaven Heights, Campsite 1, The Lake, Eagle Views, Brookhaven Bridge. Please do not take this as a joke. For your local area, turn all lights off this storm, and the redacted tactics, they will come. You will never know when it's gonna come now. I'm literally serious. This situation is not good, and well, we are now in the path of this storm. We cannot tell if there is an entity. And now let's see this tornado image.
Do you ever feel like life is too boring? Maybe? Good question.